Oh my god, okay. I've received my golden red vinyl. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for that record for, I mean, I mean, at least 2 years, I'm not gonna lie. I've always wanted it, but it was like out of stock all the time. And like this October, I finally decided to get it, and here it is. Ah, I wanna cry. Oh my god, I'm so sick, but oh, it's so cool. It's really so cool. Okay, I'm gonna open it. There's a letter. There's a letter with the vinyl. Okay, I'm first going to open this. It's so pretty. I'm not kidding. Oh my god. The colors are so like October themed. I'm gonna listen to it right now. Oh my god. It was in my pants, but
je vois pas de tronc, enfin, je sais pas.
Please, you're driving me crazy.
I mean, did some guy like say it at a big rally of some sort, and everyone went home and started saying it that way, and then it just spread from there?
Yes.
Hi guys, this is my today's outfit. It looks cute, I like it. It's very like fall vibes. So I didn't do much today actually, except going to school. Today is the first day of holidays though. Yay, it's finally fall break. I have a ton of homeworks, I hate my life, but yeah. I guess I'm gonna be able to wake up at 10 every morning, so that's so cool. Yeah. Anyway, I bought a vinyl today and I'm going to unbox it for you. Like, bruh, not my content being only just me opening vinyls. Bruh. Yeah. Let's go. I love music. Like, honestly, it's such a huge part of my personality, and I'm like super grateful I have a record player on which I can play all my fave music and vinyls. I love this album. Slay, look at the artwork. It is so cute. I love it. Anyway, we don't care. I'm going to listen to it right now.
Japonais ont évidemment simulé un attentat chinois pour justifier l'intervention sur cette partie de la Chine.
C'est vrai.
Mais est-ce que c'est vraiment Robert Frank? C'est pas lui. Mais je sais pas, j'ai mis vrai.
Elle a mis vrai. Le génie des tapis.
You be vlogging.
I be vlogging. C'est vrai. Par contre c'est bon, j'ai l'impression qu'il a pas du tout genre mis des trucs. C'est pas du tout des trucs qu'on a vu dans le cours. Bah, si. Hi guys, so it's been some time, but yeah, I'm trying to document a little bit more my life because I keep forgetting. So basically what happened since the last time I took a video, I came back to my house for a full break, but I didn't do much honestly. I just like worked on my courses and like I had homework, so yeah, that's basically what I did. And then I started courses again. So I decided to go out because I have like a little break between my courses, like a 4-hour break, which is cool and which doesn't happen that often because I'm like always at school. So yeah, I just decided to go to the cinema. I went to the Celtics Bay in Strasbourg and ready. And yeah, I just went and watched Hannah Arendt. I don't know how to pronounce it in English, like Hannah Arendt in French. And yeah, it was really nice and interesting. So yeah, so basically the movie was about her and her life. Yeah, she's a philosopher and she wrote a very interesting theory about evil banality, and it was great to see the movie because I've always been super interested by her work, and it was just nice, like, you know, to see everything that happened. Yay! J'étais pas ça. C'est trop bien. Yay, Slay, j'ai trop aimé. Slay, it be cool. Hello. I could.